In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Google Calendar using color-coded events, making your schedule much easier to navigate. Imagine being able to glance at your calendar and instantly recognize the type of event just by its color. That's exactly what we'll achieve together in this step-by-step guide. First, let's get started by opening Google Calendar. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the left-hand panel on the screen, which serves as your control center for managing your schedule. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Other Calendars. This is a pivotal area because it allows you to manage and organize the different types of events you'll be adding to your calendar. Now look for the plus icon right next to that section. This little symbol is your gateway to more organized scheduling. When you click it, you'll be presented with the option to add new calendars. This is ideal for keeping your events separated and categorized in a way that makes sense to you. After clicking, select Create New Calendar. Here, you'll want to give your new calendar a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Maybe you're organizing meetings, personal time, or special projects. Choosing a clear and specific name will greatly help you identify it at a mere glance in the future. Once you've created your new calendar, switch back to your main calendar view. On the left side, you'll now notice the freshly made calendar listed there. To make it truly stand out, you'll want to assign it a color. Click on the three dots next to its name to open a menu. This is where you can choose a color that best represents the type of events you'll be scheduling. You might go with blue for work-related activities, red for urgent tasks, or green for personal plans. Choosing consistent colors will significantly enhance your ability to stay organized. From now on, whenever you need to add an activity related to this category, just click on a specific date and time on your calendar. Then enter the title of your event, making absolutely sure to select the appropriate calendar, complete with the color you've assigned earlier. Once you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and click Save. Your calendar will instantly show that event in the designated color of your choice. This color coding method will help you quickly identify what types of events are lined up, giving you a clearer, more streamlined view of your day. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about improving your time management and cutting down on unnecessary clutter. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now customized with a clean, color-coded system to make your daily planning more efficient and visually organized. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.